So today we will discuss about factoring. So what is factoring? So it is a process of finding factors of a given product. So given the product, we will need to get the factors. So let's say for example, we have 24. And what is the factors? What are the factors of 24? We have, of course, 24 times 1. 24 times 1 is 24. Another factor is 8 times 3. Another example is 12 times 2. 6 times 4. At itong mga nakikita nyo na to, ito ang mga factors ng 24. 8 times 3, the answer is 24. 24 is our product and 8 and 3 is our factors. So maraming iba't ibang klase ng factoring. We have factoring with greatest common monomial factor. We have difference of 2 square, sum and difference of 2 cubes, and etc. But today, we will discuss about the first one, the first topic in your module, which is factoring polynomials with greatest common monomial factor. From the word greatest, ibig sabihin, magpo-focus tayo sa pinakamataas na pinagkaparehas nila. Okay, so dito meron tayong dalawang terms. So the first term is our 3a squared b. The second term is negative 9ab squared. Okay, so this is our first example. First, let's get the factors of 3 and 9. We have 3 times 1. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. We have 2a. 2a is here because of a squared. We have b. Next is, para naman dito sa negative 9ab squared, we have 1a, isang a, at dalawang b. So basically, ito yung naghahati sa dalawa. Kasi this is the first term and this is the second term. So ngayon bibilugan natin yung pinagkaparehas nila na factors na meron dito, na meron dito. Okay, so we're gonna encircle it. Parehas silang may 3. Another is, parehas silang may A na isa, and then isang B. So you might be wondering, bakit hindi ko binulugan yung A dito? Kasi wala siyang A dito. Should be common. Dapat meron dito na meron dito. Okay, so isusulatan natin yung pinagkaparehas nila, which is 3AB. Then, close parenthesis. Ang natira na lang na factors for 3a squared b is a. A na lang. Hindi ko na sinulat yung 1 kasi automatically, we have the numerical coefficient 1 here. Kaya no need to write it na pa. Next is copy the sign negative. Dito sa negative 9ab squared, ang natira na lang na factors is 3 and b. So we have to write it down. And this is our final answer. So to check if our answer is correct, we're gonna multiply it. Dapat na magiging sagot, babalik siya sa equation dito. Okay, let's try. Tandaan ninyo, when you multiply polynomials or variables, nag-a-add tayo ng exponent. Okay? So 3ab times a, we have 3a squared b. Kasi dalawa na yung a. Next is 3ab times negative 3b. The answer is negative 9ab squared. So for our next example, second example, we have 12x squared plus 18xy. So the same as yung una natin example, we will get the factors of 12 and 18. To be specific, the greatest common factor. And that is 6 times 2 and 6 times 3. 6 times 2 is 12, 6 times 3 is 18. So you might be wondering, bakit hindi na lang, ba't hindi ko na lang pinili na 2 times 9? It is because, kapag 2 times 9 ang pinili ko, ang pinaka-common factor nila is 2 lang, which is mababa, di ba? Why not choose 6 times 3 instead? Diba? Bakit? Kasi mas malaki yung 6, yung pinagkaparehas nila. Pag pinili ko yung 6 times 3, instead of using 2 times 9. Next, we have, for 12x squared, we have 2x, dalawang x, and then x, y. Then encircle the common factors. Of course, 6, para silang may 6. Okay? Next is x. Isang x lang. Kasi siya may x, pero dito wala siyang x. So, hindi natin isasama yun. May y siya, pero dito walang y. Kaya hindi rin natin isasali. Okay. So, write the common factors, 6x. So, ano na yung mga natirang factors for 12x squared? So, yung natira na lang is 2x. Sulat natin. Copy the sign, positive. Don't forget the sign, okay? Next is, for 18xy, ang natira na lang na factors niya dito is 3 and y. Sulat natin. And this is our final answer. To check, you just have to multiply using distributive property. 6x times 2x is 12x squared. 6x times 3y, 18xy. Which means our answer is correct. Next example is this one. We have 2x raised to 4 minus 4x raised to 3 plus 6x squared. Okay, so get the factors of 2, 4, and 6. So this one is 2 times 1, the factors of 2. Ano naman ang factors ng 4? We have 2 times 2 is 4. Para sa 6, we have 2 times 3. So meron siyang 4 na x. Lagay ko dito. Meron siyang 3x. This one, meron 2 x. So, bibilugan natin yung mga common factors nila. Para silang may mga 2. Of course, x, 2x, at yun lang. Baka magtaka kayo kung bakit hindi ko sinama yung isa pang x. Kasi silang dalawa lang yung meron. Siya wala na siyang x. Kaya hindi ko na sinali. So isusulat na natin yung mga pinagkaparehas nilang common factor. We have 2x squared. Bakit x squared? Kasi dalawa yung x. So ano yung naiwan na factors sa 2x raised to 4? Ang naiwan na lang sa kanya, 1 at saka x squared. So, hindi na natin kailangang isulat yung 1 kasi automatic, meron na tong numerical coefficient na 1. Next is, ang naiwan naman na factor sa negative 4x, x cubed is 2x. Sulat natin, negative 2x. Next, naiwan na factor sa positive 6x squared. Copy the sign positive. Ang naiwan na lang is 3. So, this is our final answer. Okay, so for our first example, we have 2y raised to 4 minus 3y raised to 3 plus 7y squared. Okay, so let's get the common factor of 2, 3, at saka 7. So, kung napapansin natin, ang 2, 3, 7 doesn't have a common factor. Kasi ang factors ng 2 ay 2 times 1. Ang factors ng 3 ay 3 times 1, and then the factors of 7 is 7 times 1. At kung napapansin natin, wala silang pinagkaparehas, kundi 1. Okay? Next is y. Sulat natin yung mga y. We have 4 y's. We have 3y. Then, 2 y. Okay, so let's encircle the common factors. we have the y cube. Oh no, mali pala ako. Ang pinagkaparehas lang nila ay dalawang y lang. Yun lang. And then 1. Pero yung 1, hindi na natin kailangan pang isulat yan. Okay, so, sulat na natin yung mga pinagkaparehas nila, which is y squared. Yung 1, hindi ko na sinulat kasi yung y squared, considered as meron na siyang numerical coefficient na 1 dito. Hindi na natin kailangan isulat yun. So, next is, wala na lang ang factors na natira sa 2y raised to 4. Natira na lang is 2y cubed. Ay, y squared. 2y squared. Then, dito, ang mga naiwan na lang na factors for negative 3y cubed is 3 and y. Sulat natin. Copy the sign first. Negative. 3y. Next is copy the sign. Positive. At ang naiwan na lang na factors dito sa 7y squared ay 7. 7 na lang ang natira sa kanya. And this is our final answer. So for our last example, for the factoring polynomials with greatest common monomial factor, we have 5y cubed minus 10xy squared. So first, let's get the factors of 5 and 10. We have 5 times 1. This one is 5 times 2. We have 3 y's for 5y cubed. We have x and 2 y's. So let's encircle the common monomial factor. The common factor. So we have 5 and 2y, y squared. So susulat na natin yung pinagkaparehas nila na common factor, which is 5y squared. And then the factors left for 5y cubed is y. Sulat natin yung y. Copy the sign negative for the negative. So, ang natira na lang na factors for negative 10y cubed is 2x. Sulat natin dito. And this is our final answer. So, I hope you understand our topic for today. Thanks.